Hi friends, good evening guys. So let me know whether my audio and video is clear. So is it clear guys? Anyone who has joined in, let me know. So is it clear guys? Yeah, I am able to hear my voice. Hi Amulya. So I am also checking in my mobile. Okay, good Amulya. So is it visible guys? Yesterday it was not visible I guess. Now whether it is visible. Hi Rajesh, hi Arshita, good evening. ओके चलो, देर इज नो ब्लर राइट? ब्लर तो नहीं है ना? ओके गुड, चलो. सो सी essay 200 हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है राइट. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड essay 200 गाइस. तो नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक इनटू अकाउंट, okay, certain mcqs we have to discuss, right? These mcqs, again I'm making it very clear, these mcqs what we are discussing, it will be with respect to ICA given mcqs guys. So first only I'm making the disclosure. Okay, so these mcqs, it is given by ICA MCQs we are discussing. Okay, so I'm making this point very clear guys. See again let me tell you this. Okay, there are many such MCQs, बहुत जगह पे MCQs दिया हुआ है. तो I'm trying to compile. There is no exhaustive list guys. ये पूरा inclusive है. Okay, so that I have to go on including these things. Okay, as and when it is identified. Okay, so we are working on that front. ओके मैं बेसिकली वर्क कर रहा हूँ उसके ऊपर, सो दैट वॉट एवर द MCQs आई एम एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई, आई कैन पुट इट इन one place, right? See these MCQs, I think it's very simple guys, it is visible to you. So first my suggestion will be what you can basically write down this if you want to make a note of this. Okay, see some people they may think that we will not write, but I feel if you write it will be better. Anyways, it's completely your choice because it's in YouTube, so it's up to the students. Okay, so up to you to decide guys how you want to make a note of it. It's absolutely your call. Okay, that's what I can say. Chalo, essay 200. So like let's start the discussion with this one by one. Okay, overall objectives of an independent auditor and the conduct of an audit in accordance with standards on auditing. तो shall we revise guys? एक बार रिवाइज कर ले क्या? Before we move forward, shall we revise once? yes or no? सी डेली डेली रिवाइज करेंगे तो और भी अच्छा रहेगा, राइट? ओके चलो राजेश, चलो गुड। ओके हर्षिता, चलो वी विल रिवाइज देन, ठीक है। एसे 200 टॉक्स अबाउट व्हाट? एसे 200 इट टॉक्स अबाउट ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव, ठीक है। ओवरऑल ऑब्जेक्टिव मतलब देर आर टू थिंग्स, अगर आपको याद है तो overall objectives are there. So what are the overall objectives we have? We have expression of opinion on financial statement, issuing audit report, plus whenever required we are going to communicate, right? So this is the overall objective. अभी क्वेश्चन ये आएगा, the question is sir how do we achieve this overall objective? How do we achieve this overall objective? Simple guys, how we are going to achieve this? By following certain requirements. What requirements they have specified? अगर आपको याद है तो requirements they have specified 5 requirements they have specified. The first one is what? बोलो, ethical requirements. The first one is ethical requirements. Second one क्या है? It is professional skepticism. See, I'm not going in depth of it, just I'm revising on an overall basis. Okay. Third one क्या है? Professional judgment, right? Professional judgment. Fourth one क्या है? Audit evidence and audit risk. Fifth one क्या है? Conduct of an audit in accordance with standards on auditing. Conduct of an audit in accordance with standards on auditing. ये सब चीज़ें क्या है guys? It is completely the requirements of SA 200. इसके अलावा हमने कुछ और चीज़ें डिस्कस किए थे, जैसे मैनेजमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमने कुछ डिस्कस किया था, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, इंटरनल कंट्रोल सिस्टम्स, अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसी सिलेक्शन, अकाउंटिंग एस्टिमेट डिटर्मिनेशन, अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स कंप्लायंस एक्सेट्रा. अगर तुम लोगों को याद है तो दिस ऑल्सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, है ना. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, उसके बाद हमने डिस्कस किया था. So after that what we have discussed? We have discussed with respect to scope of an audit. हम scope of an audit के बारे में डिस्कस किए थे. Now scope of an audit क्या है guys? Okay, scope of an audit तीन चीज़ों का था. First we are going to check financial statements क्या FRF के हिसाब से प्रिपेयर किया है क्या. Second, ऑडिट में हम ये भी चेक करेंगे कि क्या कंप्लायंस ऑफ लॉस एंड रेगुलेशंस है क्या. And the third thing we have specified very clearly, audit में we are not going to give any assurance to the client about the future. Okay, तीन चीज़ों का हमने बोला था. उसके बाद हमने देखा था inherent limitations of an audit. Inherent limitations of an audit. Inherent limitation क्या था? तीन चीज़ों का था. First one, it is nature of financial reporting. Second one, nature of audit procedures. Third one, balance between benefit and cost, है ना. So इन तीन चीज़ों का हमने डिस्कस किया था. Okay, so as simple as this. This is completely with respect to SA 200. I hope आपको रिवाइज हो गया. It hardly took 4-5 minutes guys. Okay, चलो. Now let's move on. तो हम क्या करेंगे अभी? We are going to now take up with respect to okay MCQs. We will start, right? If somebody wants to note it out, it's up to your choice. I'm just erasing it guys because आपको clearly visible हो इस चीज़ का. That is the reason. Chalo, I think now yes, you can start with the first MCQ. Right? Take your time, guys. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, Rajesh says 1B. Let's wait for some time, Rajesh. Others also, let's give the answer. Let's not be in a hurry. Harshita says B, sir. Okay. Amulya says option B, sir. Okay. Anybody else is to give answer, guys? और कोई है तो आंसर देने वाले? No one else? Shall I discuss the answer? Chalo. Okay. See, now let's read the question, guys. पहले question देख लेंगे. The purpose of audit of financial statements in context of essay 200 is compliance with regulatory requirements. Compliance with regulatory requirements of Companies Act 2013, SEBI and other regulators. Okay. Option B says enhance the degree of confidence of intended users of financial statements. Option C says prevent or detect the frauds and errors. Okay. Option 4 says enable management of the company to understand the financial position of the company. Okay, see, let's understand this, guys. Option D is not the right answer. Okay, see, management को क्या वो understandability of financial position के लिए audit थोड़ी कर रहे हैं हम. See, as such essay 200 का objective नहीं है. See, remember, users may be many. Please understand this particular one. Users may be many, but more relevant option यहाँ पे क्या है? That is very important. Relevant option हमें क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पे? क्या compliance with regulatory requirements के लिए थोड़ी हम audit कर रहे हैं? Are we doing the audit just to check the regulatory requirements? No, this might be one of the uses of audit. I hope you are getting the clarity on this. So let us be very clear on this front, guys. So option A, यहाँ पे it says regulatory requirement compliance. This is not the answer. It might be an use, but here they are asking the purpose of audit. What is the main objective of audit? It is, as you all said, enhance the degree of confidence. Option B is the right answer of the intended users. See, that is the reason what happens, we are doing the audit. I hope आपको clarity मिल रहा है. I hope you are understanding this. So let us be very clear, guys. Don't get confused with respect to users and the purpose. Okay, now they are asking in the question purpose of audit. This is what. Now you may say that prevent or detect the frauds and errors might also be right, na sir? Answer is again no. Why? Because remember, guys, it's a secondary objective in CA Inter या IPCC में आपने पढ़ा होगा. Okay, see, detecting fraud and error is only a secondary objective. It is not the primary objective. I hope you got the clarity. अगर आपको याद है तो objectives of audit CA इंटर का बोल रहा हूँ मैं, CA इंटर या IPCC का. ओके, प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव, सेकेंडरी ऑब्जेक्टिव. प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ ओपिनियन ऑन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स. मतलब ultimately our motto is to ensure that shareholders are having a reliability factor. Okay, see, shareholders have themselves appointed me as an auditor. आई होप आपको क्लैरिटी मिल रहा है. सेकेंडरी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? वो प्रिवेंशन, डिटेक्शन और करेक्शन ऑफ फ्रॉड्स एंड एरर्स था. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस. सो ये सेकेंडरी ऑब्जेक्टिव है. फॉर दिस आई विल नॉट डू द ऑडिट. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड हियर, ओनली फॉर दिस पर्पस. गॉट क्लैरिटी इन दिस एवरीवन? Okay, is it clear everyone? Any doubts? If you still have, you can ask me. Don't hesitate for the doubts, guys, because ultimately conceptual clarity is important. So the question may come in a different manner also tomorrow. I hope you're getting the point. Okay, so shall I move forward then, everyone? So I'm waiting for your answer, guys. Shall we take up the next question? Okay, Amulya. Chalo. Okay, Harshita. Okay, Rajesh. Chalo. Second MCQ. Okay, I hope it's visible. So read the question carefully and then only answer, guys. Don't be in a hurry, because the questions are either hit or miss. Harshita says answer is D, sir. Okay, Harshita, good. Let's wait for others also. Rajesh also says it's D, sir. Okay, Rajesh, good. So let's wait for Amulya. Amulya also says option D, sir. Okay, chalo, good. So I hope all of them have answered. Anybody else who is in online who wants to answer, you can answer, guys. Okay, chalo. See, now what they say, professional judgment and professional skepticism. Okay, professional judgment and professional skepticism shall be exercised by the auditor during identifying and assessing the risk of material misstatement while performing an opinion based on the conclusions drawn. Okay, while obtaining sufficient and appropriate audit evidence. And option D says all of the above. Okay, so let's understand this, guys, clearly. The professional judgment, professional skepticism, when it is exercised by the auditor, to be frank enough, guys, it's exercised everywhere. हर जगह पे हर टाइम पे हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. It may be, like as all of you have said, option D is the right answer. So there is no second thought in this. ओके जैसे उन्होंने बोला है कि तो फर्स्ट वन आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड असेसिंग द रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट. सो इट इज नेसेसरी और नॉट? Yes, see, whenever you identify the risk, your judgment is involved, your decision making is involved, professional skepticism, that is whether you should be skeptical to the situation. For this again your professional skepticism gets involved. Okay, so it's all interrelated. Professional judgment, professional skepticism, क्या दोनों हमें यूज करेंगे? Yes, we will be using both. लेकिन कब करेंगे सर? It depends. लेकिन ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ मैं, throughout the audit you will be doing it. I hope you are getting the clarity. Throughout the audit you will be doing it. So it may be risk of material misstatement हो सकता है, it may be forming an opinion हो सकता है. Okay, forming an opinion might be the case. Okay, it may be with respect to, I can say, like obtaining evidences part, या फिर all of the above. All the things are right only. Okay, see, some students may get a doubt, a risk of material misstatement. What do you mean by these words? See, understand guys, material in layman language I am telling, because there are many things to be discussed in the standards. Material matlab important, significant. Layman language I am telling, so if you remember this also, that will be enough. Misstatement matlab wrong statement. Why wrong statement will come? Because of frauds and errors. So in short, what I can say that boss, whenever you think about material misstatements, okay, so it means huge frauds and errors is what we are discussing. Okay, तो हम वही बात कर रहे हैं, frauds and errors बड़ा है. तो basically what happens, so उस टाइम पे क्या प्रोफेशनल स्केप्टिज्म भी अप्लाई होगा, जजमेंट भी अप्लाई होगा? Absolutely yes. Able to understand this? While forming an opinion, yes, that is in short I can say reporting में यूज होगा हमारा judgment. Absolutely yes. Okay, and obtaining audit evidences, yes. Okay, and all of the above. Okay, as simple as this. In short, even if I have to tell the names or I can say numbers of the standards, आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. Not necessary, but yes, you can have a complete correlation. This is SA 315. Okay, this is SA 700. This is SA 500. Okay, so in almost all the standards we will be using this concept. That is the reason SA 200 is a basic standard. Clear है बात सबको? Detailed explanations I am giving so that you should be very clear in the conceptual part. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, चलो guys, look at the third one. Third MCQ देखो. So read it carefully and then you can answer. डोंट बी इन ए हरी गाइस, मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ मैं. सी क्वेश्चंस मे लुक सिंपल, इट मे लुक इजी, बट इट इज़ नॉट. मैं फिर से क्लैरिफाई कर रहा हूँ ये बात को. Amulya says answer is A sir. Harshita says A sir. Okay, let's wait for Rajesh also. Rajesh also says option A sir. Okay, So are you guys sure about it? Okay, think once again. You may start feeling, no sir, answer D is the right answer na sir. Amulya says yes sir, sure. Okay, so she has given a thumbs up symbol. Okay, what about Harshita, Rajesh? Don't you feel answer is D? If yes, give me a thumbs up. You feel answer is A? Okay, Rajesh says yes. Harshita, yours? Okay, chalo. See, absolutely right, guys. So option A is the right answer. Okay, see, just now I have explained. मैंने अभी तो explain किया था. I have just now explained this. Auditor's opinion on the financial statements provides what? True and fair view opinion only. Just now I have explained this. Okay, क्या true and correct होगा क्या? No. I hope you remember. True and correct is not the correct one. Okay, it's not the right. Why our objective is not true and correct? CA इंटर, CA IPCC या फिर CA फाइनल में liabilities of auditor chapter. Okay, so you'll realize that in Royal Mail steam packet company limited case, you have to refer to this. So because of that case, our opinion is not true and correct, it is true and fair. Okay, till 18th century our opinion was true and correct only. Okay, so till 18th century, yes. See, again you have to go to CA inter basics, guys. Anyways, I am not going to deal here. Okay, chalo. The third option, list of frauds and misstatements, no, that is not my opinion. And option D is obviously wrong because it says all of the above. Why option A is only the right, not all the answers. I hope clarity मिला है आपको, everyone. Okay, chalo, shall we move forward, everyone? Okay, chalo, I am showing you the next question. Yeah, good, Rajesh. So fourth one, see, again I don't know whether so I will reduce it, guys. I think now it can be visible, I guess, or still I have to reduce the zoom. Chalo, I think now it's visible. Otherwise I will write it for you. Okay, so now it becomes simple for you, right? Amulya says, I think it's B, sir. Rajesh also says me too, sir. What is this? Me too, Rajesh. Harshita says B, sir. Okay, chalo. Okay. So chalo, let's discuss this, guys. Then see, the fair presentation financial reporting framework under which the financial statements are prepared refers to compliance with the requirements of the framework. Okay, compliance with the requirements of the framework and explicitly acknowledges that for fair presentation it may be necessary for the management to provide disclosures which is beyond or may depart from the requirements of FRF. Okay, that is framework. So option C says both A and B, option D says none of the above. So these two are wrong, guys. Okay, now what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. See, actually what happens, you may start getting a doubt, sir, FRF concept we are discussing. See, FRF, to be frank enough, this we actually discuss in SS 700, but the definition has been given in essay 200. That's why ICA has covered here. Okay, so that's why I have classified here only. So don't worry, if you know the meaning of these words, it's fine. Otherwise you can just understand answer is option B now. So again, when you take up SS 700, when we take up SS 700, at that point of time आपको detailed answer मालूम पड़ेगा, because actually what happens, just to tell you, see, it's something like this. General purpose framework is having two methods. First one FRF and second one FPF. FRF stands for financial reporting framework. FPF stands for fair presentation framework. So this is as simple as this. Okay, when we say FPF, अभी ये क्वेश्चन भी कहा किसके ऊपर आया था, FPF पे आया है, right? So this question also has been asked on FPF. So FPF means what? FRF plus management acknowledges it will give additional disclosures. So that is what is FPF. Okay, so as simple as this. But again, as I say, this entire concept again in SS 700 we are going to discuss. Don't worry. Okay, but since you know already the concept, so you have given correct answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay, chalo, shall we move forward now, everyone? If somebody wants to make a note of this chart, you can make a note of this, guys. Okay, yes, you can make a note of this. Okay, chalo. So now let's look at the fifth one, guys. Be careful in the answer. First read the question properly. ठीक है? Question number 5. read it carefully to give the correct answer. Don't be in a hurry, guys. Rajesh says 50 is C, sir. Okay, Rajesh. Okay, so let's wait for others also. And then we will discuss, Rajesh. ठीक है. See, be careful with the question. Okay, आप पूछ रहे which of the following statement is correct. I hope you understood this. कभी कभी ऐसा हो सकता है they will ask you which of the following is incorrect. Okay, so you should be careful. Harshita also says option C, sir. Okay. Amulya also says C, sir. Okay, चलो good. ओके तो चलो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस गाइस. तो क्या बोल रहा है वो, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट मीन्स व्हाट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट मीन्स, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द ऑप्शन एंड वी विल डिस्कस. ऑप्शन ए सेज materiality is applied by the auditor only during the audit, only during the planning stage of an audit. Is it true? क्या वो सही है क्या? आंसर इज नो, इट्स कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. तो यहाँ पे option A is the wrong answer. I hope you are getting the clarity on this. Okay, then chalo. Option B says auditor of the financial statement shall be independent of the auditee only at the beginning of the audit. Again it is wrong. Okay, I hope you remember. Okay, only at the beginning we should be independent. Yeah, हर time पे we should be independent. Yes, we should be independent at each and every part, each and every time of the audit. आई होप आपको मालूम पड़ रहा है कि सी वेन एवर ऑडिटर हैज टू डू द ऑडिट ही शुड बी इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट टिल द एंड. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी क्लियरली. अंडरस्टूड दिस एस्पेक्ट एवरीवन? क्लियर? ओके, नाउ ऑप्शन सी सेज ऑडिटर इज नॉट responsible for the detection of misstatements that are not material to the financial statements of as a whole. Yes, now this is right answer. Okay, which statement is correct? This is a correct statement only. Why? See, materiality, whether we are going to consider while doing audit or not, absolutely yes. That is what SA 315, sorry, that is what I can say 320 plus SA 315, we can say plus SA 705. All these three standards we take into consideration. Ultimately, when you think about giving a modified opinion, okay, automatically 320 materiality will come. Since we are discussing about misstatement, SA 315 will come. I hope आपको क्लैरिटी मिल रहा है. तो इन सब चीज़ों को आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, लेट्स लुक एट ऑप्शन डी. ए भी सही हो सकता क्या? लेट्स लुक एट दिस. All disclosures in the financial statements shall be as per the guidance by auditor of the financial statements. Again, answer is wrong. ओके, उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि इट शुड बी अंडर द गाइडेंस बाय द ऑडिटर. नो, इट्स कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. ओके, तो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर एज ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सेड इज कंप्लीटली राइट. ठीक है, चलो, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. सी, डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशंस आई एम गिविंग. क्यों सर? बिकॉज यू कैन रिमेंबर एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, राइट. दूसरे क्वेश्चंस भी फ्रेम हो सकता है इसमें, राइट. चलो, so look at the look at the sixth question, guys. Don't be in a hurry, be careful. bit a difficult one. So fourth question guys, आराम से, don't worry, don't be in a urgent. Sorry, sixth question guys, don't be in an urgent manner. So it's a bit difficult question, I can say. Okay, so Harshita says option B sir, Amulya says option A sir, Rajesh says option D sir. Okay. Okay guys, chalo, only C is pending I guess. Huh? Chalo, good. So are you sure about the answers guys, or you want to rethink once again? एक बार सोच लो. Think. Amulya says no, answer is D sir. Acha, you changed your answer Amulya, good. Let's see what happens to others. See, MCQs is always fun, right? When we discuss in a group, हर कोई एक एक आंसर देता चला जाएगा, right? Harshita says D is pakka. Okay, good Harshita. Rajesh, yours? Rajesh has already said option D. Acha, Rajesh, you stick on to that option D sir. Okay, good. Chalo, so let's understand this guys now. Okay, see now what happens. In an audit of financial statements, when reasonable assurance cannot be obtained, okay, they say in an audit of financial statements reasonable assurance cannot be obtained, and a qualified opinion in the auditor's report is insufficient in the circumstances for the purpose of reporting, then मतलब what they are trying to tell guys, क्या बोलने के लिए try कर रहा है वो. See, reasonable assurance so they cannot provide, qualified opinion also they feel it's not even sufficient. Okay, it's insufficient, and qualified opinion in the auditor's report is also insufficient. मतलब they feel qualified report भी बहुत कम है. Okay, so at that point of time what they can do, let's understand this. Option A says auditor shall resign if legally permitted. Yes, now whether he can do it or not, yes, so option A is the right answer. Okay, let's look at the options then. Option B says auditor shall disclaim an opinion. Yes, when will we go for the disclaimer of opinion? See, when law doesn't allow you to resign, अगर लॉ ने बोला है कि यू कैन नॉट रिजाइन, तो उस टाइम पे आप रिजाइन नहीं कर सकते, तो यू कैन गो फॉर डिस्क्लेमर ऑफ ओपिनियन. I hope you're getting the clarity. Again, remember guys, this is not actually essay 200. This is something related to even essay 210 also. I hope you're getting this. मतलब other standards से भी linked है ये. Okay, because IPCC basics, so you'll be already knowing this. Okay, so no need to bother. So essay 210 also I have done. That's why I'm discussing this also. Okay, that's why I have to discuss after two standards. Then option C बोल रहे auditor shall highlight the circumstances to central government. क्यों central government? No need of it. Option C is not the right one. Option D says either A or B. So ultimately what happens guys, option A option B दोनों मिला के option D में है. So which is the right answer? Option D is the right answer. Clarity मिला सबको? Okay, so as every one of you said yes D. I think you may got confused with respect to A B. Okay, इसलिए you all have said A or B, but understand they have D option also. So that is the answer. Okay, any doubts guys till now whatever we have discussed? कुछ doubts है तो you can ask me. ठीक है, चलो 7th क्वेश्चन. Amulya says 7th is a C sir. Okay. Okay Amulya, let's wait for others. Rajesh also says C sir. Okay Rajesh. Harshita says C. Okay Harshita. Chalo, so shall we understand now? Okay. See, now the question arises, क्या है sir वो? Risk of material misstatement in an audit of financial statements may exist. Okay, so risk of material misstatement in an audit of financial statements may exist. कहाँ पे exist हो सकता है वो? Option A बोल रहा है overall financial statement level. Whether it can exist or not? Yes. Option B बोल रहा है assertion level. Yes. Okay. So दोनों लेवल पे हो सकता है. Yes. Option C बोल रहा है both A and B. मतलब ये दोनों को मिला के option C is the right answer. Option D बोल रहा है either A or B. So this is wrong. So ultimately answer क्या है? Option C. I hope you got the clarity on this. तो as simple as this दोस्तों. ओके, तो रिस्क ऑफ मटेरियल मिसस्टेटमेंट्स कहाँ कहाँ पे आ सकता है? एक सिंपल सा चार्ट जैसा भी आप लिख सकते हैं. Can come in normally overall financial statement. Normally we say financial statement level, and second one हम बोलते हैं assertion level. Financial statement level मतलब it's a big level. We will discuss this in essay 315 also. Don't worry guys. Okay. Financial statement level मतलब it's a big level. Assertion level मतलब it's a small level. ठीक है, as simple as this. Understood everyone? I will make it neat. Okay, so this chart you can note it down guys. This will be easy for you to remember also. Okay, note कर लीजिए पहले. Don't worry, we have enough time. So we have another, I guess, 4 other classes also. Don't worry guys. जितना हो सकता है उतना हम डिटेल में करेंगे. So once you note, you can let me know. Okay. Okay. So have you written that chart guys? I hope it's visible. See, these small things will definitely help you to remember other areas also, है ना? Yeah, Maryam. Yes. Okay. So shall we take up the 8th one then? Yes, Rajesh. Chalo. So now I think 8th one will be visible, I guess. So look at the 8th question. Be careful when you are answering it. ठीक है? Okay. So what's the answer guys? Okay, so Rajesh says D, Harshita says D, Amulya says D sir. Okay, chalo. So I think it was easy, I guess. क्यों सर? Because हमने already डिटेल में डिस्कशन कर लिए थे, राइट? ओके, द इनहेरेंट लिमिटेशंस ऑफ एन ऑडिट अराइज फ्रॉम, ओके, नेचर ऑफ फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग, यस. Okay, option B, nature of audit procedures, yes. The need for the audit to be conducted within a reasonable period of time and at a reasonable cost, yes. अगर आपको याद है तो this is what I said balance between benefit and cost. Okay, so ultimately all these three is in option D. I hope आपको clarity मिला है. तो option D is the right answer. तो in short all ABC is combined in D, so that is the right answer. Clear है बात सबको? Shall we take up the 9th question, the last question for the day? So I will minimize this, then I think it's visible for you, right? Okay. Or shall I enlarge it? First you can read the things one by one, guys, then I will show you the other options also. Then I think it will be easy for you to tell the answer. 9th one. Okay, I hope you read the option A. Okay, now look at the option B, C and D also. Okay, now what's the answer, guys? The last question for the day, 9th question, what's the answer? Don't worry, remaining questions we will take it up in tomorrow's session. Amulya says B, sir. Okay, Amulya. Harshita says B. Okay, Harshita. Rajesh, yours. Rajesh also has said B. Okay. Chalo. So let's understand this, guys, now. Okay, what is the 9th question? So let's understand this. Identify the correct sentence from the following considering the audit of financial statements carried out by an independent auditor. Now what they are asking, guys, they are asking the correct sentence. Okay, what is that? Let's look at this. Option A बोल रहा है an audit of financial statements is an official investigation of auditees financial statement. Tell me, guys, is it an investigation? Audit investigation थोड़ी है. No, please be aware about this. ठीक है. ऑप्शन बी बोल रहा है ऑडिट इज नॉट एन ऑफिशियल इन्वेस्टिगेशन इनटू alleged wrongdoing. So option B, I think it's correct or not? Yes, this is a correct statement. Okay. Option C बोल रहा है an auditor is given with certain legal powers like power to search which may be necessary for concluding the audit. Again, it's no, power to search हमें है ही नहीं. Please understand this. Okay, option D बोल रहे none of the above. This is again wrong. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option B. Okay, I hope you got the clarity on this. So option B is the right answer. Clear है बात सबको? Okay. चलो, so this is what for the day, guys. तो कल हम फिर मिलेंगे at 6 PM. Okay, तो we'll meet up at 6 PM and we will discuss with the remaining MCQs as well. ये भी कवर करना है, ऐसे 210 का भी कवर करना है. Don't worry, lot of things we have to do. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet up. Thank you one and all. Yeah, bye Harshita, bye Amulya, bye Rajesh. Yeah, my pleasure Rajesh.